So here I've got 1 kilo of chicken raised without antibiotics, chicken foot, I hope so, or chicken feet. So this is how you prepare chicken foot. You cut the nails off. So you don't need the nails, no nails. And then you check inside here to see if there's any dirty bits. But there's none, they're all clean. So this is the right one. And here I've got some vinegar and salt. This is what I'm soaking. Cold water. You don't need these. Three teaspoons, some black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, some Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and then some fresh thyme. Leave that to marinate for an hour. Two tablespoons of brown sugar. I want it to caramelize to make chicken foot brown. There you go. I'm gonna add in the chicken foot. About 7 minutes later. some boiling water. This is going to take at least an hour to cook. So you don't use cold water because cold water is going to slow down the cooking process. We use boiling water. Minutes later, I've got my fire on medium heat, so just keep checking on it to make sure that the water doesn't dry out and it starts sticking and burning. So these have been cooking for about 50 minutes, and as you can see, the fork is going straight through them, and you can see that the meat is coming away from the bones, so you know that they're cooked. I'm just going to add in my other seasoning and leave it to simmer down for the last 10 minutes of the cooking time. I've got some sweet pepper, some carrots, my potato, tomato, and my chocho. Chocho in the fridge long time because the color gone a little bit, but it's alright. And I've been cooking on medium heat, so I'm just going to turn up the fire now and add a little bit more boiling water. And then I'm going to taste, make sure that everything is okay. It doesn't want any salt or pepper or anything like that. I'm going to add a little bit more. Just leave it to simmer on medium heat for the last 10 to 15 minutes.